It's hardest to love, need it most. I watched our bodies turn to ghosts. Such good friends, it has to end, it always does. That's the way life is. Do we take that risk? And so it all boils down to this. We've got our aim, but we might miss. We are too fragile just to guess. And I've been in this place before, fine as we are, but we want more. That's human nature at its best. What if we ruin it all, and we love like fools? And do we have, we lose? And I don't want you to go, but I want you so. So tell me what we choose.
お前が泣いたの今まで見たことなかったし、あの時だって泣けるほど誰かを好きになって叶るほどの恋をした。
Friends, I watched us as we changed. The feelings in my headspace rearranged. I want you more than I've wanted anyone. Isn't that dangerous? The anticipation before the kiss mirrored in my shaking lips. Oh God, I feel so unprepared. The two of us so out of place. My feelings written on my face. Got what I want, but now I'm scared. What if we ruin it all, and we love like fools? And do we have, we lose? And I don't want you to go, but I want you so. So tell me what we choose. What we choose. What we choose. What if we ruin it all, and we love like fools? And do we have, we lose? And I don't want you to go, but I want you so. So tell me what, tell me what we choose. Rather be a lover than a fighter, 'cause all my life I've been fighting. Never felt a feeling of comfort. All this time I've been hiding, and I never had someone to call my own. No, I'm so used to sharing. Love only left me alone, but I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your violence. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I'm in need of a savior, but I'm not asking for favors. My whole life I felt like a burden. I think too much and I hate it. I'm so used to being in wrong. I'm tired of caring. Loving never gave me a home. So I'll sit here in the silence. I found peace in your violence. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your violence, and show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long. For too long. keep trying to get inside my head. Well, I keep trying to lose the words you said. Can't you see I'm hanging by a thread to my life? What I know, yeah, I'm losing control. And oh no, my walls are gonna break so close. It's more than I can take. I'm so tired of turning and running away when love just isn't safe. You're not safe. I'm strong enough, I've always told myself I never wanna need somebody else. But I've already fallen from the hill, so I'm dropping that card. Here's your chance, and my heart